5G and Education in Sweden, presented with XMind. So, looking at the things that 5G can do to help the education in Sweden is firstly the use of private networks for universities. 5G can help give universities private network system to keep the information of their students safe and secure, and to optimize the speed for their highly condensed population of college towns. The second thing 5G can help with education is personal learning systems. With the speed that 5G offers, they can now have personal learning systems that basically combines intelligent algorithms that can help personalize a student's education to help their needs if it needs to be slowed down for those who struggle with the content they are learning, or give more difficult, in-depth questions for those who are advancing, and to not stunt their growth for a more one-size-fits-all education model. Advanced training tools. So, similar to what we were talking about earlier, with 5G, this will allow for different types of programming and software for students to use to learn about the curriculum that they're studying in that class. For example, for someone in the scientific field, they can use advanced diagnostic programs to basically practice on trying to diagnose a patient with a certain type of diseases, with them just coming in and basically they're being able to change it up to be more like a quiz. The other option that a 5G opens is VR simulations. This gives students the ability to use virtual reality headsets to get real in-person experiences. For example, cutting up a frog can now be put into a virtual person. Student can basically practice doing surgery on a computer-generated network that's run through 5G. And lastly, asynchronous classes. 5Gs will help give students real-time online classes so they can remote learn from anywhere and to be able to interact with their teacher fluidly like they were still in classes. These are all ways that 5G can help educate the people of Sweden to their utmost potential. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.